Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, I would like you to kill a million, smash that little subscribe button, and also ring that bell notification because when I'm about to drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay, so without any further ado, guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem on your Elgato capture card. Okay, so for example, you've say you've got the Elgato MK2 Pro, okay, 4K 60 Pro. And when you're recording games, okay, it does capture the game in 4K 60 frame rate, okay, 4K 60 FPS, but there's no sound. Okay, so I'm gonna show you an example. All right, so this is my last recording. This is 4K capture, and by default it's going to be save it in this folder like migrate game. Okay, and save this video. All right, there's no sound, it's completely all right. It is inputting the video in 4K 60, okay, 60 frame, 4K, full 4K frame. All right, 2160p, which is 4K 60, but there's no sound. All right, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this. What you need to do, you need to visit Elgato. Just Google Elgato drivers and then go to downloads elgato.com. right, so you will select your product. All right, so let me show you. If you already have the Elgato 4K capture utility, let me run this. Okay, when I run this, yeah, so I'm gonna unselect this. Okay, audio source. Alright, so the problem is with the sound right here. Make sure it's not mute or whatever. Let's see. Okay, recording. So I'm gonna record in, like, put it, yeah, I downscale it to 1440p 60. I can do 2160 30 and 2160 60, which is 4K 60 frame rate. Okay, so I'm gonna hit apply video encoder, which is I'm gonna set this to my RTX 4080. All right, so microphone right here, microphone. Okay, so my microphone is currently being detected. Okay, I'm gonna hit restart this. Okay, as you can see, the microphone will get detected, as you can see, as I'm speaking this input like this. But the problem is when you're doing a game, when you're recording a game. All right, the sound right here, how do you get this sound as well? All right, so for that, what you need to do, and if you go to Google and you try to download this manually, you won't be able to find it because Elgato has discontinued this program. Okay, the sound capture. All right, so you'll need to download sound capture. And if you notice in the Elgato 4K capture utility, there is no sound captures. You won't be able to monitor the gameplay sound or whatever. Okay, all right, this right here where I'm hovering my mouse, you won't be able to get the gameplay sound. Why is that? Okay, because they have discontinued the sound capture software or driver, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so to fix that, guys, you wanna visit elgato.com, downloads, and you wanna select your product. Okay, so for that you wanna select like HD60S Plus. Okay, all right, and hold on. Then what you want to do, you want to click version history, and you can see all of these. Okay, not this. Yeah, okay, so yeah, my bad guys. Okay, so I have this one 4K 60 Pro, But if I click download here, it's going to be downloaded for the latest version, and I've already installed it. It is right here, Elgato 4K capture utility. Okay, but I'm trying to get sound, all right, without buying any chat link, whatever thing. I know the chat link. It's an adapter cable that will let you, or give you permission to, like, not give you permission, but it will enable the chat. Okay, so you'll be able to hear your friends, you'll be able to record them as well. So yeah, I don't want all of that. So my problem is only when I hit record, it should record the gameplay and the sound as well, the sound of the gameplay. So what you want to do, you want to go back to that website. You want to scroll all the way down. Okay, you want to scroll all the way down to legacy products. Okay, legacy products are all the products has been discontinued. Okay, so you right here you want to select this HD60 or HD60S, all right, or Game Capture HD. So I'm gonna select this one, and you will see that, okay, hold on, where is it? HD, all right, HD60, all right, and then you're gonna see for Windows version 3.7. okay, so now you wanna click this download button, click continue with download. All right, I've already downloaded. I'm gonna hit open right here, hit I accept, next, install. If prompted, click yes, and all you gotta do is to just wait on this. All right, this is gonna take a few seconds, and after this install, as you can see on your desktop, what will happen, you're gonna get Game Capture HD. So with this one, you're gonna ignore it. We're gonna only focus on the sound capture. Okay, so now I want you to open the Elgato 4K capture utility once again. Open it, and also open the sound capture. Okay, this. All right, so as you can see, I'm gonna double click this sound capture, and now currently it is off. Okay, so I'm gonna set it to PC gaming. All right, and this is a sound right here, and this is where you wanna input, where do you want to hear your PC gameplay. All right, so make sure that you select your headset. Okay, if you have a headset, you want to select that, and which I'll put this one, the second one, you want to select your capture card, which is this one. All right, and now see this, when I'm clicking this speakers Realtek audio, see at the where I'm hovering my mouse at the sound, you can see that, you can see now it is getting the sound. Okay, so the sound of the desktop. So now when you run a game on Fortnite, say you run Fortnite game, all right, on your PC, it will get captured, the sound will, it will record the gameplay and the sound as well. All right, so yeah, what was that? Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave that to speakers default right here. Just minimize that, and here we go. All right, so okay, so my source is 1080p, so let me just quickly swap my resolution to set this to recommended right here. I keep changes, okay, and capture, as you can see, 2160 and 1440. Okay, recording, okay, capture like 2160 and 60 fps. Alright, picture in picture, you don't need to this, it will bypass, same as input, and the video general format, this one I don't wanna, this one enable stream link. You if only if you're gonna stream, but I'm only gonna record. Alright, then hit OK, and just start your game, guys, such as Fortnite or whatever, and press on the record button, and it will definitely work. Okay, so I wanna give it a try. Alright, so yeah, let's go and start Fortnite. Oops, see, it is recording right here. Alright, now it should fix your problem, alright, and the sound should be back. Okay, so yeah, let's open Fortnite. Alright, so I'm trying to find a match and I'm gonna hop on quickly. It's going to capture the sound. It should fix your problem. Yeah.